Toss out Toyota Camry during a word association game, and most automotive enthusiasts would respond with some allegory for anonymity, appliance, or a similarly unflattering description for automotive wallpaper. The latest Camry, with its all-new platform, fresh powertrains, and expressive styling, attempts to shake off that image. The range-topping Camry XSE V6 is the most effective implementation of that retooling, blending the lineup's most powerful engine with the sportiest trim level. This XSE is part of the sporty S pillar of the Camry family, which also includes the lower-spec SE. Toyota has an entirely different L vertical with L, LA, and XLE Camrys that wear toned-down front and rear bumpers and ride on more comfort-oriented suspension setups in order to attract traditional Camry buyers. Even those softer-edged L models are notably more satisfying to drive than past Camrys. But the S trims build on that solid foundation with firmer damping, bigger wheels with wider tires, and distinctive front and rear bumpers with gaping intakes and lots of blacked-out trim. That you can order the XSE with a contrasting black-colored roof, a $500 option, and a blood red interior speaks volumes about Toyota's lowered inhibitions.